Let me show you an easy way to schedule Instagram messages to send later. You no longer need an Instagram professional account to do this, but you do need to update the app. I'll show you how to do it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head into the App Store or Google Play Store. This is a brand new feature, so we need to search for Instagram on here and make sure you've updated the Instagram app. If it doesn't have update on here, then you're good to go, but it does say update, just update to the latest version. Now let's open up the Instagram app and let's get to your messages by tapping on the airplane at the bottom center. And now let's go into a specific message. Let's say this message, "Hi, how are you?" If you don't want to send this now, but you want to schedule it, let's say tomorrow morning, instead of tapping that send button, we're going to press and hold on it. So if I press and hold on it, now you can see schedule message. I can choose to send this tomorrow, November 6th, 2025. And let's say I want to send it at 9 p.m. I can hit send tomorrow. And now you'll be able to see one scheduled message. I can always tap on that. If I wanted to edit this message or to cancel it, I can always go in and cancel it as well.